Say good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel. So today we're hiking Pimawash Trail. It's like a loop. So with baby Abby and Troy and Ginger Root. Beautiful sunrise. So nice here. It's our first time. Let's take picture with baby Abby first.
What's this sign up here say?
Marcos de...
Oh, okay, so then our loop goes this way?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, what you call this one?
Graffiti.
Oh, for long time.
Maybe.
Many months ago. They reserve it. Wow.
Yeah.
Okie dokie, we are on the easy trail.
But you got people who want to get up there and trying to face other things.
Oh, let's go up there. So nice. Yeah. Somebody is making her bed by the mountain. So, Ginger, are you ready?
You ready to go back? You ready to go forward? Where do you want to go?
Good morning, good morning. So we're going back now. Ginger is tired. Where is she? It's nice trail over here. Maybe next time we go up on that mountain. So, baby Abby and Troy. Wow, nice day today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.